Right, Engine will appear again. Engine will appear again with another blog, and not just any other blog. I mean, I'm looking at YouTube, but here I am, all home alone with my sister. She's actually downstairs. We're gonna go visit her right now. And yeah, it's actually dark there. It's always dark in the stairway, but I don't know. You can get a good glimpse at I don't know. You can look at my Intuit tablet that's charging. I don't know how long it's been charged for. It's been like hours, like an hour or two. I'm not sure, but oh yeah. If you're wondering what this thing's here, right here, but yeah, this used to be on TV. It's downstairs now. I don't know what I want to do for today. Let's see. My older sister's at work. My mom's at the doctor appointment with my brother. My brother's getting his nose checked and undisclosed information. My mom's getting tired of holding this camera. Or just reading my phone camera. And I don't know. I don't know what else there is to do. Something else, I don't know. Maybe. I'll be back. Terry. Wanna be full? Terry. What Terry? You wanna follow? No, Terry, you can't come upstairs. Can't up the stairs. You peed up for too many times upstairs. Terry, come over here. Come over here, Terry. Come over here. Terry. I heard that. Debbie, I heard that. I heard what you said. What did you do upstairs?
Nothing.
Oh, but I heard you. Oh, she's gonna get it someday. Terry, come on. Come down here. Terry, come down here. Terry, do you wanna not come down here? Come on. You not want to be in the video with me? Oh, your camera shy. Terry, come on. Oh, you're biting. And now you're just gonna lay there. You're gonna lay there. Come on. And so, yep, that'll be. I don't know what else to do in the video. I don't know. More to come later on. I don't know.